Hi, Nurse Tracy here. Let's get started with some chair yoga. But first, let's talk a little bit about yoga. Yoga increases our cardiac output, which in turn improves our circulation and oxygen delivery to our tissues. Yoga also reduces our resting heart rate and lowers blood pressure. And as nurses, we have a very stressful job. There was a study done with 117,000 nurses, which found that 46% of nurses had a sedentary lifestyle, 41% has a family history of cardiovascular diseases, and 33% were overweight. Now, a lot of this can be contributed to stress from our jobs, and with yoga, we can promote some relaxation and stress reduction. We can activate our parasympathetic nervous system, our rest and digest system, as you know. So let's get started with some chair yoga. It's a good way to start off the day. If you have a moment while you're sitting in a chair and you're noticing tension in your shoulders or difficulty concentrating or feeling stressed out, let's just take a few minutes to let some of that stress go so we can improve our concentration and feel a little bit more restful before we proceed to the next stressful thing. Let's get started. We'll start in mountain pose. So bringing two fists to make sure our knees are hip width apart, relaxing the hands on the thighs, allowing the eyes to close or just having a soft, gentle gaze towards the ground. Let's begin centering and grounding in, noticing the pressure of our feet upon the ground, the pressure of our sitting bones upon the chair. The back of the spine is lifting. The navel is coming in towards the stomach and towards the spine, and the chin is in a neutral horizontal position. Inhale, imagine the breath arriving to the top of head. As we exhale, send the breath down the spine, down the low back. Inhale, chest center lifts. Exhale, melt shoulder and shoulder blades down. Inhale, ribs expand. Exhale, sending the breath down through the sitting bones. Second round, inhale, imagine bringing the breath to the top of head. As we exhale, send the breath down the spine, down the low back. Inhale, chest center rise. Exhale, melt shoulder and shoulder blades down. Inhale, ribs expand. Exhale, sending the breath down through both sitting bones. And let's gently flutter the eyes open. Great. Shoulder rolls. We'll inhale, bring the shoulders up. Exhale, roll them back. Inhale, roll the shoulders up. Exhale, roll the shoulders back. Inhale, roll the shoulders up. Exhale, roll them back. Inhale, bring fresh oxygen into the body. Exhale, imagine all the thoughts leaving on your exhalation. Inhale, fresh oxygen. And exhale, all the stress leaving out on the exhalation. Other direction, inhale the shoulders up. Exhale, circle them forward. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, circle them forward. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, circle forward. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, circle forward. Inhale, turn the head to the right. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, turn the head to the left. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, turn the head to the right. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, turn to the left. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, turn to the right. Bring the chin down towards the chest and rotate over to the left. Inhale here. Exhale, bring the chin down towards the center of the chest and roll over to the right. Inhale. Exhale, roll the chin back down and turn towards the left. Inhale. Exhale, roll the chin down towards the shoulder and looking towards the right. And back to center. Wrist circles. We'll bring the arms up right in front of us, palms down. Circles with the wrist towards each other for 3, 2, and 1. Other direction. Inhale and exhale for 3, 2, 1. Hands come down, hands come up to a 90-degree bend. Palms are facing towards the screen. Now we're going to rotate the hands and rotate the palms towards each other. We'll curl the fingers down and point the fingers to each other, curl them back up and lift. Curl the fingers down, point them towards each other and curl and lift. Curl the fingers down, point to each other and lift. Curl the fingers down, they point towards each other, curl and point up. Last one, curl the fingers down, point to each other, curl and up. Bring the hands up and let's use the thumbs to touch the first finger, middle finger, ring, and pinky. Going in the other direction, pinky, ring, middle, and pointer finger, middle finger, ring, and pinky. With a good amount of pressure, pinky, ring, middle, and pointer finger. Release the hands down. Bring the arms up to a T, palms facing the screen. Let's bend the right elbow in towards the chest and head turns to the left. Now turning the head towards the right, straightening the right arm and bending the left arm in. Turning the head towards the left, straighten the left arm, bend the right elbow. Turning towards the right, straighten the right elbow, bend the left elbow. Bending the right elbow, turning the head towards the left. And last one. Very nice. Relax the hands down. Holding onto the chair with the left hand, we'll inhale the right arm up and take a side bend towards the left. Try your best to reach these right ribs up towards the ceiling and over. And see if you can relax the shoulder away from the ear. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring the belly button into the spine. Exhale, release the belly button. Coming back up to the center and dropping this right hand down. Left arm reaches up. Reach up with the ribs. Relax the head of the shoulder down and bending towards the right. Inhale. Exhale. Push the belly button into the spine. Inhale. And exhale. As you exhale, bring the belly button into the spine. Inhale the arm back up and hands come down. We'll interlock the fingers together, flip the palms so that they're facing the screen, drop the head down and push the space between the shoulder blades back. Inhale, reach the arms up, straightening the spine and releasing the hands down. Cat-cow. Placing the hands on the legs, we're going to bring the chest forward and tilting the chin up. Exhale, rounding back, pushing the space between the shoulder blades back. Inhale, chest comes through, tilt the nose into a sniffing position. Exhaling, rounding back, pushing the space between the shoulder blades back and bringing the belly button into the spine. Relax the heads of the shoulder down. Inhale, coming through, lifting the chin, feeling a good stretch in the front of the throat, and exhaling, rounding back, release the shoulders down, avoid squeezing at the shoulders. Very nice. Coming back here to neutral. Seated sun salutation, B. Inhale, the arms come up. You can look up or keep your gaze forward if it's more comfortable for your neck. Exhale, fold forward, the hands come down. Inhale, hands on the knees, come up to a half lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, arms lift up, look up or look forward. Exhale, bring the hands down, grab onto the back of the left thigh, bringing it up. Exhale, release the left thigh, fold forward. Inhale, coming back up, bring the hands underneath the right thigh and bring the right thigh in towards the chest. Exhale, release the thigh, fold forward. Inhale, half lift, bring the hands to the knees, bring the chest up. Exhale, fold forward once again, dropping the hands down. Inhale, rise, lifting the chest and spine back up, arms reach up, either looking up towards the hands or looking forward. Exhale, hands come together, chest center. Let's repeat one more time. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, forward fold, hinging at the hips. Inhale, hands come to the knees, lift the spine up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, coming back up, raising the arms up, looking up or looking forward. Exhale, bring the hands down underneath the left thigh, bring the left thigh in towards the chest. Inhale. Exhale, release the thigh and fold forward. Inhale, coming back up, we'll grab underneath the right thigh, bringing the right thigh in towards the chest. Exhale, release the right thigh down, fold forward. Inhale, half lift, hands on the knees, chest comes up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise, arms come up, looking up or looking forward. Exhale, palms together, chest center. Hip opener. Let's bring the right knee up and cross it up over the left leg. If that's not possible, then just cross the ankle, right ankle over the left ankle. Inhale the arms up and move your body in a way that you can still feel the sitting bones underneath you. Relax the heads of the shoulder down. Hands come to chest center, forward fold. Inhaling, coming back up, and release the hands and release the leg. Other side, we'll bring this left leg up, crossing it over the right, or you can cross the left ankle over the right ankle. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, palms together, chest center, and hinging forward at the hips, bending forward, and feeling a nice stretch on the outside of the left leg and the left glute, maybe even into the hamstrings. Inhaling, coming back up and releasing the leg down. Twist. Placing the right hand onto the seat pan of the chair behind us. We'll inhale the left arm up. Exhale, twisting towards the right and placing the left hand on the outside of the right leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, lifting the chest up. Exhale, relaxing the shoulders down and pushing the right shoulder blade a tiny bit more back. Back to center. Left hand holding onto the seat pan behind us. Inhale the right arm up. Exhale, right hand goes to the outside of the left knee and twisting our body towards the left. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, relax the shoulders down. Push the left shoulder blade back. Inhale. And exhale, relax the shoulders down. And back to center. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, hands, palms together. Inhale the arms up, palms together, open the mouth. Exhale, hands to chest center. Inhale the arms up, palms together, open the mouth. Exhale, hands to chest center. Inhale, arms up, palms together, open the mouth. Exhale, hands to chest center. Bring the fingertips to the forehead in a reminder of stillness of mind. Bring the fingertips to the lips in a reminder to speak your truth. And bring your hands to your heart in a reminder to give your gift to the world. Thank you for practicing with me today.